Hello again, everybody. Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2023 Grand Design Reflection fifth wheel 341 RDS. Opposing sofas in the back, great separation from the kitchen and living area, huge master bedroom, solar panel on the roof. Let's get started, take a look. Remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also, check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, standing at the entry door looking in, you got your booth, opposing slides, nice separation to the living area. And you got the side hallway up to the bedroom. That's where we'll start. Assist handle. Your bathroom, you got the nice shower with the bench. I'm 6'5". My head is not touching in the skylight. So a couple more inches you got if you're taller than 6'5". Got exhaust fan, storage, medicine cabinet, AC duct. Got the heat duct down low. Little storage areas. Your hot water heater controls in the bathroom. Got the accent lights in the closet. King size bed. Storage underneath with shocks that hold it up. You've got dryer or washer dryer set up in here. Turn those accent lights off if you want. Charging area and receptacle down low. On both sides you have receptacles. Thermostat for the ducted air in the bedroom. Your spot for a TV. You've got the blackout roller shades. Overhead storage. Going back down, you see the other thermostat and your control for your max air fan, which is here in the kitchen area. But as you come down the stairs, your compass connect, your battery tender, you can control your lights, your slides, check your holding tanks, all from one convenient area. Fuse panel, little storage area, nice little lights for walking, heat ducts. Your quick shift table, so sit 4 comfortably. Got a couple different options here. We'll take a look at different layouts. They break it down here for you on the pictures. But the main thing is it's adjustable. So your handle here, you can put the table in or slide it one way or the other, whatever is more convenient. Then you can remove the ottoman, push the table in, and you can have 2 chairs and use the ottoman over here in front of the sofa. You got lots of options. And you got the storage. Your sink area, subway tile. Again, good storage. Your sink has got the large stainless steel sink. You've got the adjustable spray head. Your Furrion 12-volt refrigerator, freezer. You've got charging areas around the dinette. 3-burner range. Your oven. Again, good storage. The window makes a big difference for natural light. Large microwave. Underneath you've got lights Receptacles on both sides, so good spot for a coffee pot. But the separation that this countertop gives you from the kitchen to the living area is great. You've got the theater seat, opposing sofas, and both are trifold super sofas. We'll take a look at both of those opened up. All right, with both trifold super sofas open, you got plenty of room to walk through, get in on either side. Even if somebody wanted to sit in the theater seats, they still could, just can't really recline them all the way. You've got storage underneath where you can put the cushions. Setting them back is pretty easy, just folding in the two legs and then utilizing that Velcro for the cushions to hold in one place. And then you could always just do one if you wanted, then you got a lot more floor space without having both of them opened up. But pretty easy setup and breakdown of both trifold super sofas. Like so. And you've got the theater seat, cup holder, heat, massage, LED lights. They do recline, and it is directly across from the TV, which is on a swivel arm. You do have CD, AM, FM, DVD, your Bluetooth. Fireplace does put out heat. Again, blackout shades throughout, and great storage all the way around. But all these windows open to get good cross breeze. You got fire escape windows, charging areas. Still kind of in the kitchen area, you've got your pantry, which has a motion sensor light. Again, more receptacles. Your brand new 2023 Grand Design Reflection fifth wheel 341 RDS. We'll work our way outside and take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the nice front cap, model number, kingpin, your solar controller, motion sensor light, nice clean area up front for your battery. You got side opening compartment doors with the LED lights under the slide. We're looking at a 10,932 pound dry weight, 130 pound LP bottle on both sides. Wide open storage here. Your convenience area's got your pull valves, black tank flush, outside shower cable. You got a light, receptacle, motion sensor light here, nice clean storage. You see you got a heat duct, controls for your auto leveling, and the dock for your tire link, which is your tire monitoring system. Outside shower hose and your 50 amp power cord. Feed everything through the bottom so you can keep these doors shut. Got magnets to hold them up. Your tankless water heater. You've got 50 amp service. We saw the cord. Exhaust for your range. Moving around to the back. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. All right, up on the roof, your two ACs, your solar panel, TV antenna, your roof vents and skylight. Top of your slides. Got the backup camera already installed. Receiver on the back. You've got a 300 pound hitch rating, 3,000 pounds for towing. Just make sure your state is okay with towing restrictions. You've got nice large windows. Moving around to the campsite, long Power awning with the support arm in the middle. Hookup for a TV. We're looking at the Goodyear Endurance tires. 16-inch. Moride steps, so easy adjust legs. Nice feature here is dump all that trash off of them before you lift them up to go into the camper. So that's a nice feature there, and it's easy to put the tread covers on there if you want. That's another way to protect the steps, but very lightweight, easy to move for setting them up. You've got the screen door, friction hinge, the door stays where you want. Large assist handle. Again, magnets to hold up the compartment doors, nice wide open storage area. Your battery disconnect. You can feed everything through the bottom here. Receptacles. Outside speakers. Your other 30-pound LP bottle. Your brand new 2023 Grand Design Reflection 341 RDS. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised with the slides in, you can see you got full access to the refrigerator. You can store these chairs anywhere. Storage underneath, but you can put the chairs both on one side. You can store them in the bedroom, but that'll give you full access to the refrigerator, freezer, and then no issues getting into the bathroom.